Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Helpdesk plugin on the latest Redmine 7, that is latest until the current moment, and I'm going to use the Ubuntu Linux 26.04, which is also the very latest Ubuntu Linux by the current moment. We are currently in the middle of year 2026, and this Linux was released on April 2026. Okay, so I see that in our current Redmine 7 environment, we have already installed Agile and Contacts plugin, and we're going to install the Helpdesk. It is very important that before installing the Helpdesk plugin, you need to install the Redmine Contacts because it is required for the Helpdesk to be able to work. The free light version of Contacts is enough for this purpose. So please feel free to download it from our site. There is a separate video how to install the Contacts plugin first. Okay, so I have already downloaded my Contacts Helpdesk plugin. This is the full name of the plugin, Redmine Contacts Helpdesk. And now let's start and move forward with the installation. So I open a terminal of my Linux. One second, please. Sorry for this delay. Okay, so we move now to the download folder. Here it is. So we list all the things here, and we see that this is our helpdesk zip file. This is, by the way, the very latest helpdesk by the current moment as well, 4.2.10 version. Okay, so now we copy this zip file to. We're going to use the command sudo copy the file itself and copy to directory Redmine plugins. So this is the directory of my Redmine. It is up to you where you would like to install it. I have just installed it into this directory. Okay, so we hit enter. I put my sudo password, and yeah, now move the terminal to this directory of Redmine. So we click sudo change directory to this one, and now list the files to see if everything is fine. So yeah, we see that we have the two folders of already installed plugins, and this is the zip file that we have just copied now. All right, so we need to unzip it via the command sudo unzip. Okay, so we hit enter and see that it is successfully unzipped. If you would like to double check, we see that here it is. This is our Contacts Helpdesk plugin. And if you'd like to double check in the system, I mean in the folders, yeah, then you just need to change the directory. All right. Redmine. Oh my God, what I've done here. Plugins. And here it is. Our helpdesk is being successfully unzipped. So we're now going to remove this zip file because it is no longer needed. And it is going to be done via command sudo remove and the file itself. Okay. So we list to double check again. And yeah, we see that it is successfully removed. If you'd like to check in the folder afterward, we see that it is also successfully removed. All right, so far so good. We're in the middle of our installation. Now, the next two commands, it is very important that they should be installed in the Redmine core directory and not in the plugins directory. So we have to move the terminal one directory back. So we click on change directory, point. This is moving to the back directory. Right, so we see that we are currently to the core Redmine directory, which is the correct. Okay, so we execute now sudo bundle install. This command is going to install all the needed gems for this particular plugin. So we hit enter and see what is happening. We see that we got this gems installed, and now everything is fine with this command. So the next one is the migration command, which is also very important ones. So you execute it via sudo bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, and then name of the plugin, that is Redmine contacts Helpdesk. So the name actually is the name of the folder itself. So this is the name. And the last one is Rails Env production. This means that the Redmine is going to be a production environment, all right. So we hit enter and see that the migration is successfully executed. All right, so we are almost done. The very last thing that we need to do is to just restart our Redmine. So in my case, I'm running my Redmine into a separate window. So this is it. I start my Redmine via this command, and it is running now. So if I close this window, and I close Redmine. Okay, so I need to start it again and see what will happen. So this is my command for starting Redmine again, sudo bundle exec rel server eProduction. Okay, so Redmine is now being started. Okay, so we go to our browser again, refresh our page, and see that we have Redmine Contacts Helpdesk installed successfully onto our Redmine 7. So now if we go to projects, create a new project, and see that we have Helpdesk here ready to work. We'll have separate articles about how to activate, how to use Helpdesk, and many more. So please feel free to check them. And if you like this video, you could also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You could share the video. You could contact us at support@redmineup.com if you have some questions or problems, or if you'd like just to say hi to our team. So thank you again for the patience of watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.